On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on? Happy Thursday, everybody. What a dump yesterday. The NASDAQ doesn't care. Trump's in China. Clarity Act bill today. Will it get passed or will it pass gas and dump the market? We don't know. However, we do have retail sales today as well. A whole bunch going on in the markets. We'll see what happens. Let's jump into the chat. Say good morning. Hopefully you've all had a beautiful morning and see what the price action brings today. Good morning, everybody. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. Hopefully you've had a wonderful day. Hopefully you made a plethora of money yesterday. You have taken names, kicking ass, all that fun stuff. Let's see what happens here, guys. So, good fun. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you. Odyssey, how you doing, bro? Good to see you. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. We're in a bounce level right now. I kind of want a long. I kind of wanna. It's not a good trade setup. I kind of wanna. Have you ever taken a kind of wanna trade? How has that worked out for you? Never really a kind of wanna trades are not the greatest. Looking for some sort of reversal structure in here. Bitcoin coming up, getting rejected last night. A nice push up, bullish divergence into a golden pocket bounce level last night, pushing all the way up into here and then rolling over into a golden pocket locally yet again. So we are making higher highs, higher lows, which is a bear flag right now. However, holding on for dear life, right? Can it push up from here? We'll see. Golden pocket retracement level right now. Just not interested right yet. We'll see. I would like to potentially see some sort of break and continuation here. And then we'll look for potential longs. We'll see what we get today. Coming into news, coming into this market open. What's going on? Andre, good to see you, man. How you doing? Crypto Jim, good morning from Michigan. Let's go. Michigan. Awesome. Who do you cheer for in Michigan as a hockey fan? Are you going like Buffalo or are you going... Avalanche won last night, eliminating Minnesota. That was pretty good. MRPRG, good morning. Good to see a Curbstar, my man. He grabbed that first like. Let's go. First one to grab that like button. I appreciate you, bro. Shri and Pandy, how you been, man? Good morning. Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing well. Shantae, good morning. Karim Farang from the jungle. Karim Farang. Short from 82.5. I ain't doing anything for the foreseeable. Peace. You think this thing is going down, eh? Holy. You are prepared for the massive dump rally, eh? 82. 82. Let's go. 82.5. Bro, you are catching wicks. You are a wick whisperer. You met John Wick's grandmother. And you are the wick whisperer. Good job, man. Nice entry. Nice entry. You can brag about that entry. That's like braggable. Like you can go on everybody's channel and just say you're short from 82.5. You're allowed to do that. With that entry, you have, as we would call, the diamond balls. Congratulations, Karim Farang from the jungle. Karim Farang from the top, we'll call you. Dave Digital, my man. Like number 5 is Dave Digital, the absolute legend of the channel, creating beautiful music for everybody to enjoy. Thank you, Dave Digital. God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well, Dave. Hopefully everything is going great there down in Texas. Aaron Hinton, good morning. Jojo, Alexandra G. Thank you for saying good morning and having a great day and a great stream. You as well. You as well. How's that weather in SoCal? Is it still perfect? I would assume it is. We're having like 19-degree days, which is like 75, I think. Sunny, beautiful days here too. So we're in the nice weather of Canada. We get to enjoy it for another, 2-3 months, and then it's over. So I'm going to enjoy it while it lasts. Still, it may go away. This is going to be a very important week. We'll see how this continues to materialize this week. We've been warning everybody about the week after May 11th. So we're over halfway into it, and we can see there's some signs of weakness. What's going on, 666? Good morning, good morning, good morning, B-Rad. Yeah, this is just breaking down right now. There's no sign of strength here. Not really enticed to press any buttons just yet, but we'll do the top down analysis and prepare for the day. I mean, Bitcoin's losing 4-hour structure, guys. This low has been mitigated. It might be an ugly turn of events if we cannot start creating higher highs and higher lows. But the Nasdaq doesn't care, guys. The Nasdaq's just like, whatever, hold my beer. I'll take it from here, says the NASDAQ, says the S&P 500. I mean, absolute euphoric pump yesterday, even after the terrible, and I mean terrible, inflation data, whatever you want to call me. But, absolutely disgusting data, and who cares? Not the S&P, not the NASDAQ. Jeez. Absolute massive rally after getting dumped on yesterday and a push up. So we would love to see this for our friend Bitcoin, but at this point in time, I think it's wishful thinking. We will see, though. We will see. We will always see because we are here and we are prepared. So if this, then that, we'll see if the price action is going to be good to us today. B-Rad, what's going on? Madara, Isaac, Steve Hickey, George, how you doing? Terry, Black Lyobin. Good morning, everybody. 150 people in here. Good morning, guys. Thank you for coming through, saying good morning. Do you guys know what time the Clarity Act gets voted on? I heard something like 10:30 or something like that. Do I have to go do a longer stream today? Well, go on. Let's go. Let's go. I know George is in here. Aaron's in here. Shunts. Good to see a son of the king, man. We are all sons of the king. If you know, you know. PP, what's going on, man? Your PPI data came in, Mr. PP here. Your PPI data came in yesterday. Hurt everyone's feelings, man. You should apologize. What's going on, Philly? Milan? Nero? Good morning, DB. How you doing, bro? Max Murphy, Momo, OG Kudo. Howdy. Howdy. I haven't gotten a howdy in ages, man. Howdy, bro. How you doing? I'm in the Texas of Canada. Texas of Canada. Double bottom continuation up here. Trying to push. 1 minute structure flip. Into a golden pocket. 3 drives. Trying to push here. Get going, Bitcoin. Solana long given yesterday in the Discord. I don't know if anybody in the Discord is still long from Solana, but I gave the long on Solana yesterday. Anybody in the Discord? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long on Solana from the Discord. 2 Moon, what's going on? Drive with Bob, how you doing, bro? Dusty, Madara, Jackson, what's going on, man? Good to see you, Momo. HFG, it's been a while. I haven't seen HFG in a while. How you doing? Dusty, Quack Quack. Shunts, Curbstar, still in it. Nice, guys. Nice. I gave you guys a level. I mean, it's pretty accurate. I'd say it's accurate. Pretty accurate. To the tits, right? That's how we roll. Good job. Don't forget to pay yourselves, guys. That's gonna be I think it's gonna be a sloppy market today again. We'll see though. We'll see if we can get like a little bit of a, I don't know, the Clarity Act. You know, you can't count how, you know, there's some people definitely married to this. Like the last 3 months are like Clarity Act, Clarity Act, Clarity. They sound like a fucking parrot, right? It's like there's definitely some people like institutions. What have they done for the asset? No altcoin season. Manipulation. October 10th. I don't know if it's been a good thing since institutions really started getting their fingers in this shit. So, you know, it's always something to watch. You know, always have a, you know, it's supposed to be the coin of the people. It's definitely not anymore, right? You never know. I don't know. How do you guys feel about that? Rebellious, good to see you. Crypto Jim. Dusty. Guy Tullis. Man, they're never gonna go back to the regular names, are they? KR1, good to see you. Petko Dimitrov. Are you Russian? Good morning, man. Good to see you. Block Party. WB Ada Ace like hit. Good morning, guys. The only requirement here, if you are new, 190 people here, is to say good morning. We always want to say good morning to everybody. That's kind of the theme here. We say good morning. We take the trades. We show the trades on a daily basis. Right now, we're coming into some retail. That's how Army Piper says it. Retail sales. It's retail, not retail sales. He's from Texas, so retail sales coming out 8:30. Clarity Act. Did anybody say what time the Clarity Act's? We can ask Grok. Anybody say it? 10:30? 10? No? Nobody knows when Clarity Act's coming out? Good morning. Crypto Jim, Steve Hickey, Ada Ace, Lava Man, Dave Digital, Superman even comes to the chat, guys. I mean, I'm gonna tell my grandmother. I'm like, well, when I stream, Superman's in the chat saying good morning to me. It's like a Chuck Norris joke all over again, man. God bless you, Chuck Norris. Rest in peace. When Chuck Norris streams, Superman says good morning to Chuck Norris. You know? Deep, what's going on? Perfect weather here, Alex. Mid-70s all into next week. Let's go. Guten Morgen. Gang. Let's go, man. Let's go. I love the gang. What's going on? Trench Juice, he's alive. What's going on, man? 8 Breath. Crypto Jim, AJ. Retail Data. Dave Digital. Dusty. Hunt. 1. Today is complicated, I think. This day? Yeah. Let me ask Grok. Let's ask Grok when today are they voting on the Clarity Act? Search, Grok. Search. Find out. Today, May 14th, 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, the U.S. Senate Banking Committee is holding an executive session markup for the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act, a major crypto market structure bill. This is the committee's first formal vote to advance the legislation after days. 10:30. 10:30. The session could last several hours. Okay. It ain't getting done today, guys. Yeah, I ain't going long streaming for a Clarity Act bill thingy, you know? Okay. The Republicans hold a 13-11 edging on the committee, and support looks solid to enough to advance it. So possible advancement. Okay, possible advancement. I ain't married to no Clarity Act, guys, to save my bags, right? That's poor planning. Nice push out of Golden Pocket right now. Continuation up. We'll see. This is a not bad bottoming structure here. Into our Golden Pocket, 786 retracement level of this move up. Trying to push out, get above the momentum and VWAP right now. We got 14 minutes till data comes out. Be prepared for that. Miller, what's going on? Ada Ace, how you doing, bro? How's that Ada coin doing? Is it popping off yet or what? Is it ever going to pop off? I bought Ada at like 20 cents. I sold it at 60 or something like that. I tripled my money. I'm happy. They added power storage. Okay, let's go. Good morning, Loco. Darren does things. How you doing, Darren? How you doing, man? God bless you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Keen Bean, Crypto Hefe, Ero, what's going on? Ero. Mo 2. At what time Clarity Act vote? So 10:30, but they said it could last several hours, so I ain't staying on late. I got giveaways to do today. I got live trading in the Discord to do today. I got live trading to do with you guys today. Andrew Cameron, how you doing, man? Wayne C, my man. God bless you. Steve Hockey. Good morning, McCall, Two Moon, a Shunts. You guys are all Solana Lana Lang. Solana Lana Lang Lang Li Lang Lang Lang. Oh yeah. Morning, Alex. Hope all is well. Thank you, Francois. Bonjour. Comment ça va? Do people automatically assume you're French, Francois? You'll be like, I am French. Baguette. That's all I got. Baguette. Je parle français un petit mot. Un petit mot. Tu parles français? Clarity Act can be already included in the price. Yeah, it could be priced in. Absolutely, Bart. You're not wrong. You're not wrong at all. Inflation sure is kicking our ass, so we'll see. Jane Street, effed off. Manipulation, in my opinion, since 60K now. Well, at least, yeah. Well, if Jane Street's out and they got massive, they were dumping the market every, 10 a.m. over and over again? That was wild. And then they buy it up, or they'd pump it and dump it every time. I think it was pump and dump every like 10 a.m. They'd have market open, then they'd send price up, and then they'd dump it. What's going on? Gay Tulis? Gay Tulis. Yeah, what am I supposed to call you, man? You could like spell it out. You Tulis? Gay Tulis, man. It's like gay tulips. I'll call you Gay Tulips if you want. I don't know. Names are hard, man. If I was a teacher, I'd be effing up Jimmy from Jimmy Neutron in the front row. And his dad would come in and slap me and be like, his name is Jeffrey. You know? I'm going to fucking call him Jimmy, man. Sorry, it's a cool truck. Bulgarian, we don't like Russian anymore. And Romanians. Let's go. He's Bulgarian. You get it? That's awesome, man. Thank you for being here. Shout out to Bulgaria. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're doing better than Canada. ETFs caused a 22% drop. Same thing will happen with Clarity Act. Oh, great. You guys are just you guys are full of positive energy this morning. I love it. I love it. AlexOCrypto, what's going on, 2 Moon? Good to see you, GTT. Crypto, where's Crypto Hung today? He's not here. Dave, Alusus, Andre. Wait till you have Spider-Man in the chat. Yeah, maybe I am Spider-Man. Psh. Guy Camp. Good to see you from Fort Lauderdale. Mab the Great. Good morning. Push back here. See, I like this. I like this, but into news, 10 minutes into news. That's a good candle, man. That's a good candle. It's a pretty cheap trade too. I'm just gonna pretend, guys. I ain't taking this. No trades right now. Showing the trades, taking the trades on a daily basis. Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. 4,000 yesterday. Accounts at 30K, man. Let's go. Accounts at 30K. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. We made $900 in like 7 seconds yesterday on the live stream. That was awesome, guys. That was really fun. Keep showing up, man. I mean, this thing was great. We had retracement shorts, retracement longs, a lot of trades to have yesterday. Whenever you got like parabolic uptrends, there's always an opportunity to make good money. Okay, whenever you have parabolic downtrends, there's very good money to be made. All right, identifying that trend is something we talked about and discussed in a long-term video yesterday for the community on how to identify when we reverse, right? When we break and when we look for reversal. When we break and when we look for reversal, right? And how to jump onto that kind of trade. Very important, right? Because let's face it, price action normally range bound, right? But if you can't identify when the range changes structure and when it wants to go the opposite direction, you're going to be broke. You got to be prepared for that. And you have to have rules based around that. It's very important in trading. Something, we cover a lot in the Discord is how to trade a trend, how to identify a reversal, what time frames to identify the reversal on, how to implement strategy around those reversals and that structure, how to enter and manage your risk around that structure, right? It's very important. It's not easy, but it's, that it will make you a much better trader if you can identify when this is going to go this way and when this is going to go this way, and you can do it safely and patiently with good risk management, right? Like right now, we have not taken this high. This isn't even a high. We have our first established high. We need to break this high first and foremost, right? So we're waiting, right? This is a waiting game, really, unless you want to be an aggressive little scalping machine, right? But the context of your trade must adapt to the conditions of the market. And if you don't, well, guess what? You end up paying for it. It's the only job in the world, I don't know in the world, but one of the only jobs in the world that if you show up to work and you work however many hours, they will take your money too, okay? You don't always leave here with money. News events are always sell the news. We got 6 minutes till news data. G1, good to see you. Wayne C. Marine Mike Crypto, good morning. Big day to win. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Good to see you, Mike. How you doing, man? Dusty, thank you for being here. 2 Moon, Zaya, good morning. R Pink, Francois. I'm actually South African, Italian, living in Ireland. That's just confusing, man. Buongiorno, come stai? There we go, amica mia. I'm a quarter Italian. Quarter. Third? Maybe a third. Whatever. I was raised by Italians. We ate polenta and spaghetti, okay? That was life. And spezzatino. Did anybody buy that long? Can anybody see why that was a good entry? Put a 1 in the chat if you long that. I just want to know, did anybody buy that little scalp? What's it, Pinky Boxy? You guys did? You guys are absolute degens. I love you. Let's make some Let's go, Sam. Good to see you, man. Roth. I bought. Oh my God, you guys are. Please don't just do that. I'm a landowner, says Army Piper. Bro, you're going full tilt lately, man. You're going full tilt. You just buying up parcels of land now. You haven't. How many acres did you buy, bro? Already out. Nice scalp, Andre. Nice. Congrats, Army. Congrats, bro. Are you gonna let me come and build my barn dominium on your property or what? We can retire and you can protect me. I'll help fund it. Nice pusher for Biddy. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I was saying, Army Piper, that you call it retail sales, not retail sales. Retail sales, man. Retail sales coming in. What's going on, Randy Hipper, Miss Teen Crypto? God bless you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful, wonderful morning. Whooping ass. Do you whoop ass, or do you just are you just giving all the alpha? Yeah, you whooping ass. Look, she ready to kick. Clarity Act getting closer. What did you vote, Randy? You think the Clarity Act gonna probably get advanced today, right? You think Clarity gonna save the crypto market? I don't think so. I think everybody holding on to hopium with this Clarity shite, in my opinion. But I'm a negative Nancy, aren't I? When it comes to news, I'm a negative Nancy. Push Bitcoin, you nambe pambe. What does Randy think? She just got an iced latte. I'm very happy. Clarity is a smoke and mirrors. Absolute garbage and should not be passed. Let's go. And this is why we love you. Right? You've been flipping out on your show? Good. Is that why you're not a day trader, Randy? Is because are you emotional? I think you should join the Otter Gang. We'll sponsor you if you want to learn how to scalp. Just an offer, we help out friends. She says, I'm a woman. Very emotional. We can show you how to be stoic. We'll show you. I mean, trading becomes boring, right? It has to. Like I can hype it up and stuff like that, and woohoo, yeehaw. But you have to become pretty much like a mute. You have to become it's just probabilities, right? You just want them in your favor. You got to be just okay to lose. Losing is part of it. I think I talk about losing more than winning. I do very well, and I'm very grateful. God is great. I show up every day and execute. But I mean, I can just be there and be okay with $2,000 just disappearing, and be like, okay, that's cool. And then I can be there and $4,000 just appearing, and I'll be like, okay. Sometimes I can be like, stupid, take my I can be there too. When I'm tilted, I'm not a very good person. Right? Let's not pretend that we're all zen and when I'm tilted, sometimes I trade better when I'm tilted because I get hyper focused and the ADHD kicks into overdrive, and I just start yelling at candles, and they actually listen because I know what price action is going to do, and you feel like you're somewhat controlling the market because you've watched it for so long. Anybody else get like that? Where you get like you're like scalping on the 45-second and you're like, I will make money. It's always dangerous, right? That's why we manage our risk. But has anybody gone through that when you're in like a complete tilt flow state? Okay. I have, where you're down 2 racks for the day. You implement the strategy and rules and you execute like an absolute god. I've been there, right? I've gone from being down like I think $5,000. I was down $5,000 one day, and I went back and I flipped that to like being up 12K one time. I remember there's times where it just works, and then there's times where you gotta know to shut it off, right? But you gotta be prepared to take a loss. That's it. Retail sales, consensus 5, actual 5, coming in as expected, guys. So down from previous, but still increased 0.5. Okay, so retail is still spending. Obviously we have retail sales increasing after New Year's, which makes sense, and then decreasing a little bit into April. Yeah, last April we were down, and then May's down, and then it picks back up in June. So we'll see. Not a big data point today. Okay, not a major reaction. Not expected to have a major impact, but watching the DAC right now, guys, we are very overextended in my opinion, and we had a nice pushback yesterday. So we'll see if this inflation data from yesterday gonna be sticky, or if we're gonna be continuing to rally here. Trump's in China. Price is pushing into VWAP right now. Little bit of slow volume here. VIX is down below 18, which suggests we're gonna take our sweet ass time to get anywhere today. So we'll be prepared. But we got 320 people here on the live stream. Thank you guys for being here and saying good morning and smashing those like buttons. We got 86 likes, which is, a little bit of rookie numbers, but I do appreciate you guys being here and supporting the channel. When you're tilted, I'm dead. Yeah. You are loved one way. With the higher time frame money flow starting to trend out, best I see clarity causing a quick spike to 86 and then down to 60. That could work. Trap the bulls one more time and then send it to 0. Send it to 0. I played League of Legends for so long. This is like a vacation compared to in regards to tilt. Yeah, when you're playing like League and you're playing mid and they got that guy who throws the bombs and he just keeps trolling you. Yeah. And then that Chinese League of Legend guy comes out of the jungle and he does the sword attack on you and you're dead. And you're just like, what the beep, right? Can anybody, is it Yi or something like that? Or there's a werewolf guy who jumps out of the jungle and eats you too? Man, I always got my ass whooped in League. I played a little bit of League, but I suck. I suck at League. I will whoop your ass in Halo, though. Anyways, the market always haunts me. Good morning. See? He knows. A Shuntz knows. Right? Yeah. You learn, take 70, 80% profit. Last money is bonus. Exactly. Look at that long trade I gave you guys. You guys are spoiled, man. Oh, man. Should have taken it, shouldn't I? Into VWAP. Slap. Great job on the longs. GG's, everybody. GG's on that long. The Andy. I was a chicken shit. I should have taken that long, man. Aggressive move through VWAP. I mean, I'm going to say I called it because I did call it. I did call it. That was the long into VWAP. You're welcome. This is why people come here. I just hand out spoons all day long. For me, I'm not greenlit right now. I woke up a little bit tired. I'm letting the coffee kick in and stuff. I'll talk about greenlit. I'm going to make a video on it. I think today I'll make a video. I'll put it out for tomorrow. But I'm not greenlit right now. I'm still waiting to trade. Sometimes you got to give yourself a little bit more time in the morning to digest your and adjust your focus, right? For me, the discipline is not an option. It's just a action word. You know, discipline's an action word. You can't just say I'm disciplined. You just got to be disciplined, right? I woke up a little bit groggy this morning, tired, but key level given in advance to the Discord, higher low, hammer candle, continuation trade here. You got strength here. Where's the strength in this move when you look at this? Okay, what tells you that we're going up here? Okay, yes, we got the hammer candle. That's where I said to long. Okay. You got doji engulfing continuation candle here. Okay. You also have two beautiful candles here and here. Look at the pushback. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Suggesting continuation. If you go into this, you got a mini balloon dog here, guys. So if we go into the 1 minute time frame, we can see here we got double bottom, right? So this is bull divs, SFP. Okay. Push up, consolidation. What do we look for on the balloon dog? The sweep of previous highs. Boom. There's our sweep and our pushback here. Okay. That is as simple as it gets, man. The Otter gang understands this because I explain how to trade this all the time. This is just a fractal, right? It's a 1 minute time frame balloon dog pattern. But that's it, man. And guess what? Buyers step up. You can turn on the volume. I'm sure, yeah, volume came in here. Higher low, continuation up. Wow, magic. Now we have tapped VWAP and looking for follow through. We're trying to break this high right here. We have not closed above it just yet. We'll do top down analysis. Thank you everybody for being here. Made just over 4,000 yesterday. Accounts just above 30,000. Showing the trades, taking the trades on a daily basis. 3,022, 30,022. Constantly compounding the account, showing you guys everything. Bitcoin rolling over. Okay, so where are we at? What are we looking for? How are we looking to get there? Are we all spooked and scared? Yeah, we're petrified, man. Look at this. We have broken down. Break it down now, right? So what's important to note is that we have mitigated the 4-hour low. Okay, so we have taken this, right? Yikes. So pullbacks are for shorting. Okay, pullbacks are for shorting. However, if pullbacks were for shorting after we mitigate the low, okay, that's a great short here, but this is the trade you want to be in, this long here, right? So if this, then that. The 4, the 3, the 2, the 1 looks relatively decent. Okay, we got anchor, trigger wave printing on the 4-hour, so we want to see this coming into the market. This could be all the way on the weekend, guys. Okay, 4-hour just trying to push back here for a retracement. The warning sign is when the 4-hour comes back. Okay, this is the warning sign that we must be aware of. Okay, the 3, the 2, the 1 anchor trigger played, trigger to the downside. Now we're looking for hidden bullish divergence, hopefully here, in continuation up on the 1-hour into that higher low, continuation down potentially. Okay, so if this, then that, prepared. So what do we have here? We have a bear flag, right? Bear flagging. Cummins, the cider place, you know, the where we buy some Dixons and Cummins from bear flagging. That's where we are. Liquidity, yes. Imbalance, yes. Okay, so we're looking to come into here. how we behave in here is very important. Okay. Golden pocket 786, retracement level, retest of key areas. Okay, so we are looking in here. We are looking at this volume up top here. You can see that we do have a massive volume shelf here. We need to flip this. This is a flip zone. Okay, we need to flip this guy. Big volume nipple. Okay, watch out for the volume nipples. So if this, then that. Prepared traders are profitable traders. Congratulations on your longs this morning, guys. You guys are absolute legends. So how are we looking for this to trade? Well, right now we are looking for pullback for pullbacks to short. However, if we do start to get nice structure in here, we can look for potential longs. I would prefer an SFP bounce. That would be juicy. Okay, we did get that on Solana. Okay, we got the SFP bounce on Solana, which was given in advance in the best Discord in all of crypto. Okay. Also, in the best Discord in all of crypto, we also gave you the highs and the lows of this range from last night. We drew this. Okay? We had the high here. We got rejected. We had the low here. We popped off. Then we gave the low here. And then we gave the high here, weirdly enough. And then we gave the low here. So constant updates in our Discord. Even in a small tight range, we were able to call the key levels. Even this morning, key level. Okay, so if you execute based on good risk management, you can make lots of money. That's up to you guys. Not to mention all the 8 other traders crushing it in our Discord, but you know, I ain't gotta sell you the Discord. Discord. We don't want more people. You guys can stay away. We just want to keep all the money for ourselves. Oh man, is that good advertisements? Like don't join. I guess so. Maybe it creates scarcity and FOMO. Who knows? I'm not a salesman. I'm a carpenter who clicks buttons. I identify as profitable. That's it. So what are we looking for? I mean, everybody's got their hat hung on this clarity garbage, just like Miss Teen Crypto said, or Randy Hipper. And it's about where we're at, right? We need, in order to continue bullishly, we need to get through the golden pocket and flip this as support. If we fail to do so, we are looking to come back down to 72. Okay, this is kind of like my lines in the sand right now. We need to flip and hold above our swing high to swing low golden pocket retracement zone that we haven't hit yet. Okay, haven't hit it yet. Okay, it's a good song by the Tragically Hip. Okay, could we come back down into here and bounce? Absolutely. Can we go swing low to swing high now and look for a golden pocket retracement level in here? Yes. So can we be corrective and continue? Absolutely. NASDAQ flying off the wazoo. Okay, all-time highs. I mean, we're not that far, guys. However, if we're looking at any sort of history, it means that we're probably going to do this. If history repeats, we're doing this. Okay. If this time it's different and the 4-year cycle thingy, whatever people trade is not broken, then we're going down. I'm not the guy to reduce, reuse, and recycle. I'm not that guy. So if this, then that. Right now we need to be prepared traders. Right now we are holding on for dear life, bear flagging, drinking too much cider. Looks like we might be flaccid, right? Too much cider, we might be flaccid. So we need to be aware of that. Our key levels are as such, okay? So we're prepared traders looking for this. Retest to previous lows, looking to get above this green line. However, if we fail to hold above this green line, we are coming down to the pink box, okay? So if we fail to hold here, okay, we are coming down to the pink box. Very simple, okay? I wish I took this long with you guys. Now I'm a little bit upset about it. Yeah, a little bit upset about it. How we behave up at the highs here and the liquidity is very important coming into this morning. Okay, if this, then that. Continuation trade here bouncing quite nicely. I'm jealous of you who got long when I said get long here. This is never financial advice. I'm just a simple hobbit from Canada, taking the trades, showing the trades on a daily basis. I do appreciate everybody being here and hanging out. God bless you. Thank you for supporting the channel. You guys are incredible. What a great long. Damn. I'm jealous of all you people. Who got long here? There's a whole bunch of you got long here when I said to long. Very good. Magic Mike, good morning. Good to see you. One Way Dusty, what's going on? Clarity X, 64% on Poly Market. Okay. TP hit, $800 profit. You're welcome, Sam. See, look, Sam's crushing it. Stop loss to profit. Dusty too. Man, you guys are just on fire today. I'd just be handing it out like hotcakes. Jeez. 82 today would be cool. Let's go. Have a wonderful day, Randy. If you tell me I can't be in the Discord, I want to be in the Discord 10 times more, really? Current market conditions. Could we go up? Yes. Could we go down? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of indifferent. I'm kind of indifferent. Good morning, Wick's wife. How you doing, wifey? I mean, when you're trading and scalping a 3-minute time frame on a daily basis, you're not really it's not like I don't care. I hold long-term Bitcoin. I love up only, but you must keep your trading accounts separate from your spot bags. You must, right? Like if you're a trader, you can't be married to up. You can't, right? Look at yesterday. We took a short. We made $900 in literally 7 seconds. It was absolutely great, right? Holy smokes! People really messaging me a lot this morning. I don't need to. Right? What's going on, Jeanette? Good to see you. No worries. You're not a hobbit. You're a towering giant. I am definitely a hobbit. But it's gonna be interesting today. Nice pushback here on Bitcoin. Congratulations on your long, everybody. I'm not in any trades. However, we did say it long here. I'm just trying to get prepared here. I am out of coffee. Oh man, I am out of coffee. So I guess we got to play Top Blast. Top Blast coffee song. I'm gonna go say good morning to my beautiful family. I'm going to get some more coffee so I'm ready to trade because I wasn't ready this morning. And we'll go from there, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Smash those like buttons, guys. 122 likes. I'll be right back. We'll grab some more trades. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here.
Yeah. Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van Bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I've been high and selling low. Direct by wick, put on a gong show. Blasted, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should have clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight, the trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wanking chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waited for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an on the plan, babe. Don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a lily, the big V-wap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto honest to 10. That's the plan, but top blessing trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. But let's crypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, bye.
low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Van Bass like my wallet, yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't wanna stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B, just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by week, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wanking chair every year, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waited for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a lally, the big V whack slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto want us to jam. That's the plan, but top blessing trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. But let's so crypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 bye.
All right, we're back. Nothing happened, eh? Holy smokes. I guess you can't move the price. The coffee long hasn't been hitting lately, guys. I don't know. Congratulations on your longs here. I got the FOMO. You know, I should have executed a lot better here. I would have been up quite a nice chunk of change here. However, you can't just FOMO in on everything, right? I mean, the setup was there, the idea was there, the key level, all of that, higher, low, continuation out. I missed it. Now, my job is to be objective and patient now, which is the hard part. Whenever you have a key area and you fail to execute, it's typically confidence. This morning was not confident to take that trade. This morning I woke up a little bit tired. You know, identifying, how you're feeling in the morning. Typically, I'm more alert later in the stream, but there is opportunity sometimes. Sometimes I'm in a long, like right off the hop. That hourly close at 8 o'clock sometimes gives you quite a good setup. If you're ready for it, right? I mean, I got up early. I'm ready to go, but it's just a matter of execution. There was a little bit weak on my part. Now my job now is to be is to not try to revenge trade, which is now it's harder, right? It's harder not to want to jump in on this. But thank you everybody for being here and supporting the channel. If you did get along on that setup, congratulations. They're talking clarity on CNBC now. Great. I'm not gonna go and stream Clarity Act stuff. I mean, we could have a look if you want. Chop at the top here. Rotation down. We have a 12-minute structure break here for reversal now, so I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 back in Otter gang. We'll see if we get it. A little bit of a break here. Let's see if we rotate back down. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 370 people in here. 140 likes. Thank you, guys. I do appreciate you guys' support. It's pretty cool, man. It is truly an honor and a privilege to hang out and talk shit with you guys and click buttons. That is, the best. The best. Simply the best. Better than all the rest. ES, chop at the top. Continuation. NASDAQ rolling over this morning. Setup. The setup guy looking a little bit weak here. We need the fluffer. Call the fluffer, guys. We need the fluffer. And looking to get up to here. Okay. Bitcoin doesn't care. Solana doesn't care. Solana, Lana, long. SFP on the Solana long too. That's juicy. Okay. Retest previous highs. Continuation up. I mean, we shorted Solana easy money yesterday. My God, it was just like, you're paid. Enjoy your day. We'll see where we want to get to today, though. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. We're doing a giveaway today, guys. $1,500 giveaway for the chat. All you have to do is use the Bitunix link, sign up, deposit, and trade. You get tickets. We do giveaways. You guys get $1,500, $5,000 a week. Every single Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And you guys get to be at least pre-rich because we give you money here. Lots of money. Lots of giveaways. Over $5,000 giveaways every single week here. So thank you for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out. I do appreciate you guys for using my link and all that stuff and supporting me and the beautiful community here. Hopefully we can help you find some trades, take some trades, manage your risk, talk mindset, talk trash, talk construction. I think you guys prefer the construction talk the best. I mean, you guys get me misbehaving. You guys bring the best out of me. That's what I'm supposed to say, right? You guys bring the best out of me. Right. They're going to reopen the Strait of Hormuz. China's going to make a deal. They're going to do AI. They're going to, it's going to be fun. I mean, there's so many potential catalysts that could make this market just melt faces, and there's so many potential catalysts that can make this thing destroy and wreck everybody, right? All you need is peace. You need peace. You need a big China-US deal and Clarity Act and Bitcoin Strategic Reserve. Imagine all three of those came out this week, right? Where would price be? Let me know in the chat. I would think we'd go back to all-time highs. That's just me. Within a couple days. 3 days. Boom, all-time highs. Okay? Or we could get Iran has a nuke. China it destroys all the billionaires in China. Every one of them. Nvidia, Tesla, all of them. Bye-bye. Welcome to China, mofos. Invades Taiwan, takes over the world. Crash. You never know, guys. That would be, yeah. Anyways, we won't go there. I don't want to be a negative Nancy. We are literally here, a whole bunch of mostly men, 97% men. We're all here sitting here with our mouse in our hands, ready to click. Whether you're a Logitech guy, whether you're a whatever Acer mouse guy, we're all just here holding each other's hands. If you just hold your mouse up to the screen here, guys, we can all shake. Let's try to do good today. Okay. How do you do? Nice to meet you. Thank you for saying good morning. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show. Don't be weird. Say good morning. And let's try to make some money today. That's it. Like, that's it. It's kind of crazy, right? We got like 400 people in here. We're all just sitting here with our mouses ready to click things. It's kind of gay. Let's be honest. Oh, man. Oh, you guys are awesome. Thank you for being here. Good morning, Harp. Sorry about your Flyers, man. Good to see you guys got past that first round, though, man. Good GG's there, bro. New Moon Saturday. Yeah. Okay. Good morning, guys. Thank you for being here, hanging out. I do call it a mouse, yeah. Yeah, it looks like a button on a fur coat, bro. I can't help it. It's my God-given talent, okay? Initial jobless claims came in, actual 211K. Forecast 205, previous 200, so not terrible either. So data came out this morning, nothing too big. Retail sales, okay. We gave the long this morning right here. I did not take it because I was an amby-pamby. A lot of you guys are in this long and you guys are rich. I am jealous. Aggressive moves through view ups, typically bullish, continuation up, looking to come to the liquidity of the highs. Market cipher, 1 hour trigger wave looking to print right now. Very bullish looking candle. Nice hourly candle looking to push up into our 80,170 resistance, into our golden pocket. Can we get up into this thing? Liquidity in the highs to be taken. Watch for the sweep and dump. And then maybe we continue. We have a bear flagon in House of bear flagons. Okay, so we could break down today, coming down to that $78,200 level, but we'll see. Okay, patience here is going to pay. 9 o'clock, top of the hour. Okay, so looking good so far. A pushback off of our golden pocket retracement level given in advance in the best Discord in all of crypto. Okay, bounce out of here, continuation up, nice reaction, and go. Looking strong, getting the friction on, baby got back. Okay, continuation up, looking strong. SPY, cooling off a little bit. ES, continuing to rip. Okay, SPY, cooling off, but still looking good. Double bottom SFP on the NASDAQ. Can it continue to rally? We would be stupid to fade this, right? It just continues to go up. Solana, long, given in advance in the Discord from 89. I mean, we the tippy bottom, man. The tippy bottom. Ooh, not the tippy top, the tippy bottom. Pretty cool. The Discord, best Discord in all of crypto. I mean, giving the trades, taking the trades, all that stuff. Trying to make crypto honest again. That's what we're doing. Compounding the account. Giving you guys the Solana long last night. There's the Solana long last night. Given in advance, okay? The updates, the plan, the trades, the execution on a daily basis. Giving you the long this morning out of the box as well. Just absolutely crushing it, mate. All right? Not to mention all the other traders in the Discord. It's truly an honor to serve all of our members and continue to take names and kick ass, or whatever the saying is. We have had amazing altcoin trades, like 40% move on virtuals. I don't know, 80% move on Brett. Injective, 100% move. Well, 90, sorry, only 90% move. BitTensor, Okay, we've been spoon feeding the gang. The gang's been crushing it. That's just me, man. Everybody else getting setups, and it's been an honor to make some cake with you guys. Is that what the new kids say? We make cake? I don't know. What's guap? Guala? Dollar bills, y'all. Look at that long, man. I've got the itch, man. I got the FOMO itch horribly right now. Not that pink eye, not that, gift that keeps on giving, but I mean, damn. I'm jealous of all you people who took the long. I was not greenlit this morning. I was still thinking, man. Still thinking, but that was a trade setup in advance. Good job, everybody. God bless you guys. You're asking for altcoin ideas? Join the live stream. We can look after. That's funny. All right. We can look after. Polymarket says what? Clarity Act. 60 what? 4% chance. What does the 60 what percent chance does the Discord say? Or Clarity Act. 51%, guys. You guys are 50-50 on this thing. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Man, I got FOMO. FOMO NOMO. We do have a video called FOMO NOMO in the Discord. There's ways to eliminate FOMO. Most of the time, it's removing yourself from the FOMO, right? Now, if you're like me and now you're stuck streaming till 10:15 and you got the FOMO, there's different ways to plan around that FOMO as well. NASDAQ continues to break down, guys. This could be a very big trap this morning, in my opinion. I mean, there has not been a healthy retracement in this whole move all the way up here. So, and up, we'll see. 390 people here, 156 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button. I do believe we are being like, I mean, Canada, I think, is on its anti-crypto, anti-streamer thing, man. So if you guys wouldn't mind just smashing that like button and supporting the channel, I'd appreciate that. What's up, Dusty? Good to see you. 2 Moon. And the only requirement, you don't have to hit the like button, but I do appreciate it. But I would like for you guys to say good morning. I call it Moose. Guten Morgen, Kevin Martin. Guten Morgen, gang. Zusammenfloss. We would have been out at VWAP anyways. Yeah, but it would have been like at least $500 richer. Right? I have $17 on this trade. It will be 19 soon. Map the Great. I love it. You know me too well, man. What part of Canada am I from? I don't know, man. You're a Candle Mafia chick. I don't know if I can answer that. I better get my Frankie Candle's Bing Bong hat on that he gave me personally at the conference. Dong dong. This is wish.com Frankie Candles, by the way. Dong dong. All right. Dong dong. I'm from Toronto. Dong dong. There we go. Dong dong. I say dong dong. He says bing bong. I say dong dong. You too? I'm Queen and Broadview is where I grew up. Queen and Broadview, Jilly's. You know it. The real jerk. And then I lived Parliament Wellesley, Regent Park, in the hood. That's where I grew up. She's like, ooh, that sucks. Ooh, that sucks. She's like, damn. You lived in Regent? Damn. Sumac. Yeah, Sumac. North Side. Good times, man, as a kid. Don't leave your bike out. Let's just put it that way. We're one of the few kids who've made it. Isn't that crazy, Erica? If you know, you know, right? If you know, you know. If there's a hood in Toronto, that's it. I mean, it's still Canadian hood. I mean, they hit you with hockey sticks, but, you know, they'll still hit you. Yeah. I went to good times. Thank you for being here, Erica. I even put on my Frankie Candles hat. Greenwood and Gerrard? No way. My best friend used to lived at Greenwood and Danforth. So he was up on Danforth there. He went to Danforth Tech. We used to go to the Greek festival in Danforth all the time. There's a really good internet cafe up there that we like to go and cause trouble in. You know, I played East York baseball. No way. You're like family now. You're stuck with me. Talk shit. Talk Toronto, man. The good old days when Toronto was safe. I don't live there anymore. I moved to the mountains because Toronto's a whole now. It's not a good place to raise a family. Got to protect your family at all costs. It's your job as a man. Provide something for your kids that wasn't provided for you. Right? Loving this Canadian chat. Let's go. Up only right now. Coming into market open 9-11 right now. I triggered some people there. Sorry about that. Up only. Long given from down below here. Didn't take it. I was an absolute biatch. Looking for a sweep of the lows. In a bear flagging right now. Can we flip 80,200 as support? That is the question. Trying to push up here. Coming for the liquidity of the highs right now. Consistent bid all the way up. Buyers in control. Little bit overextended. 12-hour trigger wave pushing up. 24 as well. Hourly trigger wave looking really healthy here. Continuation up. I'm always concerned with a decent push like this into market open. This is, to me, it's always a trap. But, you know, that's how we remain patient here. We may have met. I'm born in 90. I'm 36 years old, Erica. So we may have met. I don't know. We may have gone to school together. Who would have known? I went to Queen A, Dundas. I went to Dundas, Queen A, Jarvis, and then Riverdale. I did not go to Eastern. I got asked to go to Eastern to play basketball, but I didn't go because it's the hood. It's the best basketball school in Toronto, but it's the hood. That's funny. The best generation. I mean, the last. You went to Jarvis? No way. I'm sorry to hear that. Jarvis is all right. I went to Riverdale. I was in extended French. That's why. I got to go across the bridge because I was in extended French. Lucky me, eh? Jones and Gerard. There you go. Continuation up. We have his school now to finish the password questions. Which city was your mother born? Move that gray box. It hinders us. The gray box is holding down price action. Too funny. No follow through here. We got 60 minutes till market opens. Just trying to get through the gray box here. Let me move it up a little bit for you, Dusty. There, we can really hunt the liquidity. There you go. All right, there you go, buddy. I got you, Dusty. Do you want it even higher? Oh man. Are these schools or lands of Lord of the Rings? No, they are schools. I mean, I went to the fancier school. I went to the fancier school. She went to like the I wouldn't say it's hood, but it's not the prettiest. There's Hooker Harvey's around the corner from her. She's right near Hooker Harvey's, which is yeah, if we look at Jarvis Collegiate, you got Jarvis here. It's not bad. Not a bad school. It's old. Okay, Jarvis. It's not bad. It's not in the greatest location. I mean, you can get downtown right away, which is good. Okay, now we're into this box, Dusty. I went to Riverdale. So that's this school. Riverdale here. We used to play handball here. We had like nice courts. Yeah, it's a nice school. That's what it used to look like. Want me to move it again? Do you want me to move it higher, Dusty? There's no trade here, guys. 410 people on the live stream. God bless you guys. Good fun. Quick, move the box again. Oh, man. You guys are hilarious. Your short moves the box down. We haven't taken this liquidity yet. We've got 13 minutes here into market open. Thank you guys for being here. I am the Wick Whisperer, Andre. Don't make a rude joke, please. Hooker Harveys. If you know, you know. Watch out. You can find some toothless honey. The funniest story, me and my friend from Nova Scotia, right? And this is racism at its best, right? He's one of my best friends, and he's black, okay? And I don't know if this is racist or not, right? But we're out on the town and we're coming home, and we're passing Hooker Harveys, and there's this like, honestly, she was like a Neanderthal white chick. Like she was like literally white chick. She was huge with these like big, clear heels on. It was a complete hooker, right? And she comes up to me and she's like, I'll suck your beep for I think it was like $40 or something like that. I'm like, fuck off, kind of deal, right? And I'm ahead. I'm with a group, and then there's the group behind me, my boy Matt, and so I continue, and I stop at the stoplight, and they catch up, and then my boy Matt, and we're drunk, right? He comes up to me, he's like, "Yo, bro, you wouldn't believe that girl came up to me. She's like, I'll suck it for $100. I'm like, bro, she said she'd suck it for $40 to me. Why do you have to pay more? We were dying laughing. I'm like, this is so racist, man. Oh man. I guess I shouldn't tell these streams online, but these stories are kind of what makes the channel. There's a line and we cross it. Some of the nights, man, you got to share the stories, man. It was, we were so drunk. We were howling laughing, right? Right? We were howling laughing. I'm like, man, so like I get the discount? Would have been worse if she offered to pay in Cardano. Do you take ADA? How about 100 ADA? As a black dude myself, that's so good. I mean, I should get a discount, right? But it was funny, man. He's like my best friend, and he's like, bro. He was like so drunk, and he's like so excited about it. And I'm like, she just said 40 for me, man. Like, we were howling laughing. It was a good night, man. That was funny. It was funny. And she was like, she must have been like 6'7", man. Like she had a foot and a half on me. Like she is huge, especially with those clear heels. Good times, man. Funny times. She must be charging by the inch. Probably, man. That's black tax right there. Right? That's pretty funny. That's black tax. That's That's hilarious, man. You got to laugh, right? I mean, too funny, man. Too funny. Good times. Good times. Gotta have a laugh, man. Trading is hard. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 430 people here on the live stream. Bitcoin just up only. We gave the long early in the stream from here. I didn't take it. Poor execution on my part. Congratulations, guys, on your win early in the stream. Coming in to market open, what are we looking for? So it's been up only. So this is always a concern for me, trapping longs, right? So we're looking for this thing to come down, humble pie, and continuation up. However, we'll see. Golden pocket retest continuation, looking to grab this liquidity. If we get a liquidity sweep, we could be going much lower. Okay, so be aware of that as well, coming down for the liquidity of the lows. So be aware of that as well. Pretty much range bound. So we're looking for general shorts up here if we can, and longs down here. We just don't want to fade a move like this. So be patient in here, in my opinion. Looking for potential pullbacks and continuation up. Golden pocket rejection, key volume area up in here. So if we do get up into here and we get like reversal structure, we can look to short it back down. So be aware of that as well. This thing is just slowly climbing up and looking half decent. We do have momentum on our side. 1 hour trigger wave to the upside. A nice 1 hour candle here, continuing to push price here higher. Looking strong money flow, trying to cross over. We'll see if it can get going. Looks like we are pushing into this high right now to come and sweep this liquidity, which is pretty awesome. So we'll see if this wants to continue to rip to the upside. Okay. Very nice move this morning. Choppy up at the toppy, right? So for me, I can't be top blasting here, but we are pushing. I moved the gray box for you guys so that it will push up. There you go. Merry Christmas. It's just, look at that. All I needed to do was move that gray box for you guys, and we hit it. Okay. Sometimes I do not know my powers. Okay. I don't know what I do. I just moved the gray box, and look, we started ripping to the upside. Sorry for the racism talk. I don't think it's racist. I mean, I've shown you guys my school picture. Okay, ask Erica about where we grew up in Toronto. Okay, we as a young white man, I was one of 4 white people in my classroom. Okay, so there is no racism here. We're 90s kids. We call people gay and retarded. We are here to have fun and take trades. Show the trades, be honest, have fun. We're a compounding account. We've turned 25 to 30,000. Okay, we're depositing the money. We're making the money. We're kicking ass. We're taking names. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. God bless you. We're doing a giveaway of $1,500 today. Okay, and we'll be doing that at the end of the stream at 10:15, where we do a raffle. All you have to do is sign up with the Bitunix link pinned in the description, deposit, and you get raffle tickets. We draw those tickets at the end of the stream. People win money. Very simple, okay? Very simple. Just sign up, support the channel. Thank you guys for using that link. If you're new here, welcome. We're live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again, okay? Traders, helping traders. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful Thursday. Midweek reversal Wednesday. Can we get a push up? Clarity Act potentially getting pushed through today. Trump in China. Lots of stuff going on, guys. So always be paying yourselves. Always be using good risk management. Thank you for being here. 440 people on the live stream. If we could get, I think we only need 16 more likes. That would be very appreciative if you guys could do that for me. Thank you very much. And thank you for being here and supporting the channel. All right. Make comedy again. It was funny. Love you, Shem. Thank you for being here. Hey, Sean, it's good to see you. Low IQ people are always worried about race. That's it, man. Just be kind. Don't be a douchebag. Right? Okay, sweep of the highs here. No real rejection, guys. Chopping at the top. Okay, overextended here. Solana looking, Solana long given an advance in the Discord last night. You guys are all pre-rich. Solana can come back all the way to 93 easy. Inverse head and shoulders. That's a 2-3% move here. Look at this thing. This looks ready to go. If we want to go today, man, Solana going to pop. Measure, move, whatever you guys do with your head and shoulders, knees and toes. My son loves that. There you go, right? I don't trade like that, but that's there. You got to be aware of those things. Patterns are real, man. We trade balloon dogs, hot dogs, flamingos, giraffe patterns, stiletto patterns. The stiletto pattern should be called Hooker Harvey's. That's what it should be called. Oh man, can't believe I told that story. That's sometimes you just gotta tell this story, man, because it's funny. 3 red days, we should have a pump. Hopefully, yeah. I see that three black crows on the daily time frame. Yeah. Typically, you get consolidation continuation, though, right? You get 3 candles in one direction, 3 white soldiers, 3 black crows. Talk about racist, right? You typically get consolidation continuation. We'll see. We'll see, and that's on the daily time frame, guys. So it's a whole different animal. Okay. 2 minutes here. 2 minutes. We'll see where we go. I can't justify taking a long up here. I gave the long down here. We wait now, right? I can be mad at myself because I did give this long. I gave it to VWAP. You leave a runner, right? And you guys are all pre-rich this morning. We'll see where we get to. Yarbrook, good morning. Shem, good morning. Ross, good morning. Good to see you. El Candos, hola. What's going on, man? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Dusty, Toaster, R Pink. Need to laugh. Very important. My poor friend Matt. Matt. Oh, Matt. Matt and I got some stories. So holy smokes. If you wanna know my greatest victory in poker was with Matt. And I don't gamble, but we went and played some Niagara Falls 3-card poker, and I tell you, man, I got a story for you one day. Maybe one day we'll unleash that story. Holy smokes, what a night. What a night. Oh my god, people are trolling Trump already. I gotta kind of watch this.
Konnichiwa.
Guys, this is what you get now. This is who you're trading against.
Konnichiwa, my dear Chinese amigos.
Yo, the internet is so ruthless. Oh, let's go, baby. Pump it. Oh, let's go. Konnichiwa. Let's go, baby. Market is about to be open. 10 seconds, baby. NASDAQ. Trying to find support here. SPY. Which way are we going to gap today, guys? We'll see. Thank you for being on the live stream, supporting the channel. Bitcoin up only so far. Is it a Clarity Act pump or is it going to be a dump? We will see. Thank you, guys. Gap up this morning, guys. Woof, bitty. We'll see where we get to. SPY pushing. NASDAQ trying to hold. Can it go? Bitcoin up at the highs. No trade up here, guys. Up only this morning. We'll see where we get to. NASDAQ trying to hold and push out. SPY holding and climbing. All-time highs, guys, in price discovery. You and me, baby, ain't. Anyways, price discovery. Trying to get to that 75.50 area. That is kind of the goal, in my opinion, for the full move. But we'll see. Bitcoin Chop at the top. No trade here. Potential short, if anything, but I'm not taking it here. We got a sweep of the highs, bear divs, right? Exhaustion up here, sweep of the highs. Should we roll over? We'll see. No trade, though. Still waiting on the Bitcoin to kind of make its move and decide which way it wants to go. Looking for pullbacks. Pullbacks are for buying right now. Breaking structure here, looking for a retest continuation trade. We can pull our fibs right now from the low, low to swing high. Konnichiwa, bitches. Order block retest, golden pocket. We'll see if we come into this area here. Continuing to push. Let's go. NASDAQ, ripping. SPY, ripping, man. Big rumors about like NVIDIA deals and stuff like that throughout the market with them being in China. So we'll see if that has an impact on price today, guys. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. 470 people here on the live stream. Bitcoin trying to find some strength to get going here. Coming into some key resistance as we speak. Great long for everybody. Hopefully you all took profits and enjoyed that profit this morning. Congratulations. We'll see if we find anything else. Thank you guys for being here. We're going to do that giveaway at 10:10. You know, 10:05 today. Giveaway for everybody. $1,500. And the Bitunix giveaway every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We do 2,000. So thank you for being here. Congratulations on your long on Solana Discord members. Good job. We'll see where we get to. NASDAQ flying. Trying to push back here. Nice bottoming structure. S&P flying. Oil dying. Okay, oil dying, which is a good sign. Oil rolling over yet again, losing that $100 psychological level. Bitcoin trying to continue here. This is a trap, in my opinion. I'm looking for like a sharp pullback and then continuation if we're going to go long. I'm not looking to short the sharp pullback right now, not with this momentum. Okay, lots of liquidity in these lows to come and grab. So we'll see if that wants to happen or if we're going to just like flip and go. Okay, patience here. We'll see what we get. Thank you for being here, everybody. NASDAQ retesting of previous lows, continuation up here, coming into a big push this morning. Massive push for the NASDAQ. Can it get above here? Support level. SPY continuing to climb, looking strong here. ES, a little bit of exhaustion up at the high, something I noted here, looking for pullbacks to buy. Preferably this guy right in here. We'll see. Rolling over here on Bitcoin. A little bit of a warning sign, rotation down here. Okay. We'll see where we get to. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out. We'll see. Selling. We're going up or down today. We are going, well, right now we're pretty much sideways in a range. We're at the top of a bear flagon, you know. So we wait. We'll see where we get to, guys. One more time, S&P and NASDAQ pumping. Yep, let's go. Let's go. Looking good. Clarity's voted on today. Who knows what they're going to do with that thing. Higher low continuation up here. Bids just coming in, man. This is, you know, quite strong. We can see we got bullish CVD down below and buyers in control right now. So no reason to fade this thing. Solana coming back a little bit right now. SPY doesn't care. Up in the air. Make it disappear. I don't know. I'm not Jason Casper. I wish I could rap like Jason Casper, but, you know, I just don't got it, man. I got the beatbox. That's it. We'll see if we get going. Push Bitcoin. Don't be a nambe pambe. No trade up here. Looking for pullbacks. Solana pulling back. NASDAQ retesting that resistance. SPY looks good. Still waiting here, guys. Did you see that new actor they picked for to play Achilles? Was that not ridiculous? Elliot Page? Is Elliot Page playing Achilles? Guys? Is that for real? Is Elliot Page playing Achilles? Is that true? Guys? Elliot Page. Rotation down here. Did you see the first? Did you see Achilles? Did you see the first Troy movie? This was Elliot Page. Did you guys see this? Look. Here's Elliot Page. I'm gonna get so banned for this. I'm gonna get banned for this, guys. Here goes Elliot Page, guys. In the opening scene. Elliot Page. Well, Elliot Page. Movie's over. Oh my god. The end. I had to do it. I watched that this morning. I nearly died. I nearly died this morning. Oh, man. Can we get GG's in the chat? Oh, man. Too good. Oh, trapping traders at the highs. GG's. Yeah, GG's. That was good. I laughed so hard at that this morning. How can you do that to Brad Pitt and Achilles, man? Oh, anyways. Aggressive sweep here. NASDAQ ripping, guys. Aggressive sweep. NASDAQ ripping. SPY is ripping. Bitcoin pullback for buying? I'm not convinced right now. I'm still waiting. Trend is still up. Nice pullback. No order block tap. No reason to long yet. Still waiting here. Retest of lows. Grabbing late longs in here. Continuation up. Halfway up the candle wick test here. Continuation down. NASDAQ doesn't care. SPY all-time highs. Price discovery continuation. Bitcoin flat. Sweep down to grab those late longs like we talked about. Can we get continuation up here? Trying to hold patience here. 490 people here on the live stream. Thank you for being here, guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. We're here live every morning, taking trades, showing trades, making crypto honest again, man. Thank you for being here and hanging out. I do appreciate you guys hanging out and putting up with my shenanigans. Sometimes we go off the rails. I think maybe today's one of those days. That's okay. We go into the Discord and continue to trade live today in the Discord at 10:15. Taking the trades, same thing with the exchange up, showing you guys how we enter, how we execute, yada, yada, yada. Patience right now looking like a little bit of exhaustion here up at the highs. Not for the NASDAQ, not for the SPY, but maybe for Bitcoin. Sweeping the high here and off we go. Coming back down, looking for some sort of bottoming structure now on the Bitcoin price action. Still trying to be patient here. Thank you for being here. Smashing those like buttons. Is this an orb for ants? Yeah. Wasn't Achilles not actually very athletic looking in this story? I have no clue, man. I have no clue. At least AI is good for stuff like that. Yeah, I agree. Does the link just work for new Bitunix users? Yeah, you'd have to sign up with another email if you're signed up under someone else's. Or you'd have to like cancel your Bitunix membership with that other person if you're signed up with someone else. $1,500 giveaway today. Mm-hmm. $1,500 coming back down right now. No trade. I can get the giveaway set up. Lucky draw, guys. Make sure you get raffle tickets. I don't need to get. I've already got raffle tickets from trading volume. Obviously, I do the trading volume very quickly. I got 10 tickets. I won't participate though. I will do the lottery for you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Looking for Bitcoin to come down into the VWAP here. NASDAQ does not care about VWAP. SPY does not care. Continuing to climb here. Solana trying to hold key support here. Order block tap. A little bit better on Solana, potentially for a long. Bitcoin rolling over here. Doji engulfing. Halfway up the candle wick test. Continuation down here. Looking weak right now, guys. Not the greatest candle pattern after that slow climb up. No reason to take the long here. Patience. NASDAQ doesn't care about patience. SPY doesn't care about patience. Just long the open. Insane. ES is climbing again. Oil has lost key support. NASDAQ coming back up. Patience here on Bitcoin. 79.5 or 79.2 more likely. Yeah, coming back into here, 79.5. I like that, but we'll see. Patience right now. You signed up with the link but some months ago. That's fine. You should be good to go. Here's the exclusive link for that for the giveaway thing. Okay, that's the raffle link right there. I like Solana here a lot better. It's not ready yet. Still baking. Still baking. Patience here. Indecision. Looking for a sweep and dump potentially on NASDAQ. That would lead to a rollover here. The problem is if Bitcoin is like flat and not going anywhere, and NASDAQ rips and then eventually gets rejected and then it dumps hard, it does affect Bitcoin and it does dump with it. So if Bitcoin's just flat at the highs here, NASDAQ comes up and sweeps, and then we get a big pullback on NASDAQ, this wrecks Bitcoin. So always be aware of that. If NASDAQ's ripping, Bitcoin's flat, right? You should always be aware of that. Could lead to dumparellis, man. Where are we for VWAP here? Right in the middle? Yeah. VWAP holding push. We got an orb for ants here. Pushing back. Can we keep going here? Can we keep going? 450 people here on the live stream. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Non-stop here. Push Bitcoin, ya nambe. I did like Solana there. Yeah? Oh, my wife needs me. My wife needs me, guys. I'll be right back.
Give it the VWAP, stop, stop it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP, stop, stop it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP, stop, stop it. Hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP, stop, stop it. Trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby bullshit. Get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe. Manage your risk. Drop at the top, stop at the top. Wait for the flip. Push it, slap it, one pick.
Sorry, gang.
Give it the VWAP, slap it, pump it. Hit the big box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP, slap it. Trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Taking the trace, showing the trace.
She heard your story too. Yeah, she knows the story. How do I ban people in the regular chat? Looks like we got a scammer. I don't know, that guy who's... How about the Avs game last night? That was a great hockey game, man. I love that. Why? How does Nathan MacKinnon shoot that shot and yet he can't hit the broadside of a barn for Team Canada? Nathan MacKinnon, the net's like this. He's like down in the corner here and he shoots it and the goalie's like, here's the goalie, right? Taking up the whole net. And he shoots the puck and it goes, wee. Top cheddar, man. Top cheddar. Like such a sick shot, man. So sick. And then when he's playing for Team Canada and the net is, the goalie's over here and the net's 9/10 open and he misses the fucking net. Anyways, awesome game though. Come back, they're down 3-1. They came back and whooped their ass. Really good game. But that shot by Nathan MacKinnon last night, holy smokes. What a shot, man. There was nothing to see. There was no net. There was no net, yet he found the net, guys. Oh, there's the meme. Look, there's the meme. Team Canada. Look, that's where he was shooting Team Canada. Look at the net. He was shooting at Team Canada. That's what he had to shoot at. And then last night, this is what he had to shoot at. And he put it top cheddar right here, right in the corner. Team Canada. Avalanche. He missed this one, guys. Insane. Look at this shot, man. Where is it? Let me pause this. Let's go super slow-mo. Look at this shot from down here. Zing. Wow. 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 That's all I got to say is wow. Long or short Bitcoin? No trade right here. Still chopping. Chopping at the top. We want to see lower. Top of the orb rejection right now. Looks like continuation. NASDAQ is flying. SPY is flying. Looking strong here. Solana consolidation here. Might need to come and take these lows, guys. No trade right now. Still waiting, guys. Thank you for being here and hanging out. We've talked hookers today. We've talked hockey. I mean, it's always some gong show going on in this stream, man. You guys know how to pull me in every which direction. Thank you for pulling on me. Caulfield likes to rip those. Are you I think Drysettle would be the best at those shots. Drysettle, that's his office, man. That lower quadrant of the ice there, he just absolutely eats that alive. I'm in no trade. We gave the long this morning from down here, and now we're top blasting, guys. You can see the exhaustion up at the highs here, so no trade, still waiting. I would prefer a failed orb breakdown is bullish. That's what I would prefer right now. Right now it's no trade. It's a bit of a waiting game. NASDAQ doesn't care about waiting. It just cares about going up. Okay, taking all-time highs. SPY all-time highs. Cooling off a little bit here, so maybe a cool off for Bitcoin. Double top at the highs. I mean, Bitcoin looks strong here. Bullish candles all the way through. 24, same thing. Continuation up. Looking to get above. This is key resistance here at 80,200. And then we get golden pocket 80,400. So I'm mainly looking for shorts in here, not here. We can look for pullbacks in longs into this area. But this is not generally where I'm looking for shorts. So I wait. Right, if we are going to define where we get noodle slap, the hot dog is right here. Here's your bun, and here's your other bun, right? So for me, if you want to take the trade in here, I think you're being too risky, and you're not being patient enough. You're trying to take this noodle slap right here, when really your pullbacks and your resistance is higher and lower, right? So if you want to play with the noodle, that's totally up to you. I don't mind. Sometimes you'll win playing in the noodle zone, right? Sometimes you'll win. She's a nice girl. You make money. All that stuff, right? You come in and you're like, hey, yeah. And you make lots of money, and sometimes you don't, right? Sometimes you buy green candles and you make money. For me, it's not the right spot. Okay. You guys can do what you want anyways. I would be patient here. I would be very patient. Okay. Waiting. 3-minute trident. Where? Oh, this thing right here. You want the outside wicks to be longer. I don't know what kind of trident you're using. You definitely ain't Poseidon. You want this to look like this. This is you would want this one. Yeah. I wouldn't say that's a trident. It's trying. It's trying to push here. Nasdaq's retracing though, guys. Here we go. We've taken liquidity out of all of this in here. Nasdaq's coming back down. Humble pie. Remember I said this could dump Bitcoin. Okay. If we come down here aggressively, could send Bitcoin down. Let's see. Or Bitcoin can just be a resilient little Bitcoin and it doesn't go anywhere. We'll see though. Patience right now. Even if we come to lower orb, like, then we get some sort of like, maybe VWAP works its way back up here. Live trading in the Discord giveaway in 15 minutes for everybody. So make sure you got your tickets ready for the raffle on Bitunix and you're signed up there. Thank you for being here. Congratulations on your long this morning, everybody. Thank you for the good laughs today. It's been a funny stream, man. You guys have definitely made me giggle a lot today. So I don't know how you're getting these old stories from my good old college days out of me, but you are. Sometimes the college stories have to come out, man. They're in the interwebs now. Everybody knows about Hooker Harveys. You literally type in and Google Hooker Harveys. I bet you it pops up. Right? Hooker Harveys. Yep, there it is. Wikipedia. It's even on Wikipedia, guys. Look, Hooker Harveys, man. Okay, Jarvis Street. There you go. For the sex trade. Zanzibar. White flight, yeah. Too funny. There you go. This price action's absolutely grim, mate. 10:30 Clarity Act. I don't know what they're doing with that, but they're voting and they're trying to push this thing further into existence. That should be interesting. Maybe it has a very big impact on price action. NASDAQ rotation down. SPY rotation down. Bitcoin, a lot of the same. Okay, choppy at the toppy here. Failing to push higher. Coming back down for all these longs in here. Might need to come lower. Hopefully it does. Higher high, higher low. Continuation up. Potential longs down in here. Still waiting. We'll see. Long given and advanced here on the live this morning. So for those guys, GG's. Great job. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. And put a 3 in the chat if you're skiing. If you're sitting on your hands. I am currently in no trades. I show my trades. I take the trades every single day here, guys. But right now, this is no trade zone for me, guys. It's just how it is. I can't force it to move. I would love to, because then we'd all be rich. But we trade the market we have, not the market we want. We need to understand that. The way we remain patient is we say, hey, I'm looking for this. I'm looking for that, which means I don't take anything else. And if you can't do that, you got a lot of work to do, man. I mean, a lot of work to do. Right? You have to know what your playbook. You should take your playbook on what you look for. Screenshot the plays. Screenshot them. Put them in a folder. Study them. What happens here, there, everywhere? How do I execute based on this, based on that? Trend is this way. Trend is that way. Right? Might help. I review every trade every day. Not physically. I don't write it down. I used to write it down when I was new. I know what I did wrong. Hindsight's always clear to me. But if it's not clear to you what went wrong, and sometimes it's just you've taken a high probability trade setup and you lost. Sweep. Lower. Lower. This is lower. Don't fight it. Lower, lower. 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 Slap and go. Come on, baby. Right in here. This is where I want it. Right here. Mm-hmm. Are you gonna front run me? Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Entice buyers, come back down. Don't you dare do that. Come back down. Come back down. Come on. You're not done yet. Halfway down the candle, continuation down. If that's a long, I'm going to be I almost pressed the button, guys. Almost. I didn't though. I don't like it. I think it needs to come a little bit lower than that. I could be wrong. I'm okay with being wrong here. If it pumps here, I'm going to be upset though. That's 2 trades I've missed. Tweezer bottom on Solana. Trying to hold range. 1.5 minutes left on candle. Don't you dare. Oh, you Nasdaqian bastard. Damn. Put a 1 in the chat if you long this. I may resent you. I may resent you. I mean, it's not rules based. It's not rules based. I can't take that. Like, is golden pockets here? Fair value gap, VWAP. It didn't hit it. It didn't hit it, so I can't take it. I mean, I would have made money. I would have been at least halfway out already, guys. So I'm okay with no trade. I'm kind of not okay with no trade, but I got to be okay with it. I guess we're just going to make all the money in the Discord today. Damn Clarity Act crap. Good, dump it now. Dump it. Dumpito. Dumpito. We got our 1 hour candle. That is an ugly ass candle, guys. Look at that candle. Big sweep candle. Big sweep energy. Bullish engulfing candle on the 30. That means down, guys. But Bitcoin doesn't care. Holding orb. Halfway down the candle, continuation up here. SPY pushback. I still don't like it. We're going to do the giveaway, guys. Let's do the giveaway. Thank you, everybody, for being here. For supporting the channel. Giveaway time. Let's do it. I mean, we got to play the original. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live stream, supporting the channel. We sold our left nut so that we could give you guys money because you guys deserve it. Thank you for supporting the channel and being here every giveaway every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. $1,500 today. All right, let's do it. Go to the lottery, everybody. Go to the lottery. I'll give you guys like whatever. 20 seconds. Got to click this. Here's your lottery link. If you don't have it, there's your link. How many left nuts do you have? Only one. Make the right one jealous. I'm still watching price action on the other screen. 10 seconds. I'm going to do the draws. 500, 500, 500. Let's see what we get today, guys. Boom. Let's go, baby. Congratulations to Baby G. Let's go. Let's go, Baby G. My man, Discord member. God bless you, man. Baby G with the 500 USDT bonus. Let's go. Congratulations, baby. GG's. GG's to Baby G. Here comes the next one. Boom. We got MIW. It's in the game. Congratulations, MIW. Congratulations, $500. Draw now. Let's see. Finally, last but not least, MIW, Baby G. Who else is going to win? WLD MH80 or an 03. Congratulations to Cha Ching. Cha Ching. Congratulations, guys, on your winnings today, guys. GG's in the chat for all the winners. Lucky draw is done for today. Awesome. Bitcoin rotation down. Coming into VWAP here. Slap and go. Slap and go. 1.5 minutes left on this candle. No trade yet. Still waiting. Still waiting. No trade. Considering a long here. No trade yet. Still waiting. Just aggressive the way it's pushed into here. The volume in these candles is very aggressive. I'm not taking this long. One minute left on this candle. Fair value gap tap. Pushback here. Nope. NASDAQ still rolling over, guys. No trade here. I might regret this, but I'm not taking this. 20 seconds. Front run rule applies right now. I could enter. Alex. Are we going to take it? I missed it. Just the way price has moved into this area here, like great slap and go here. I missed the trade. Alex I think I'm being a little bit of a bitch today. Yeah. I'm being a little bit of a bitch today. I had 2 easy trades, easy trade, and I didn't take them. Damn. Put a 1 in the chat if you long VWAP. VWAP, fair value gap, bounce level, golden pocket. 3 confluences. Poor execution for me, guys. Very poor execution for me. Very poor. Damn, Daniel. Golden pocket. 618. VWAP. Fair value gap. It's all there, guys. Poor execution for me, man. I'm gonna go lick my wounds. Choppy at the toppy, guys. It's been a weird day for me. Poor execution on 2 trades today. No trades. Given the trades to to you guys. You guys have done great today. Congratulations. I love seeing you guys win. This is we try to make this a team sport. You know, it's an individual sport at the end of the day, but you know, we do a good job here of working together and trying to solve this market. So thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel. Poor execution for me today. However, a lot of you guys are winning, so good job. I love seeing you guys win. Keep doing it. Looking for a push and continuation here. Will we get it? Clarity Act. Be safe. Donald Trump in China. Okay, thank you guys for supporting the channel. I will see the Discord members right now. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Much love. Bye.
On the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you